Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete a Badoo account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Badoo account app on your phone. You will be here in the encounter section, like how it will usually open up. From over here, tap on this profile icon given in the bottom right, and now tap on this settings icon given on top. From this list, go ahead, tap on this option of account, and now if you look at the bottom, you will find this option of delete account. Go ahead, tap on it. You have to simply choose these options, which you have to go below and tap on delete your account, tap on continue, and now you can see you simply have to provide a reason for it. Simply have to tap on this I'll continue afterwards, and now tap on delete account again, and you will be able to delete your account from Badoo likewise, and you're done. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.